Oh, we're back at Thomas's house.
What's up? I see your face is healed up.
Yeah. Wonder what he's gonna hit me with today. Probably my car. He's gonna let it drop on me this time. But if you guys haven't already checked out his channel, go check it out. He just did Drift Week.
More like Drift Month at this point.
Right.
I had to do FD before and after, so I was on the road for 28 days.
Sheesh.
In that thing.
That's crazy. Look at this. Could you imagine driving this thing cross country? He said it wasn't that bad though, comfort-wise.
Yeah, the seat wasn't too bad. The noise was pretty bad. We were at about 98 decibels average, and on max of about 105.
Sheesh.
So
it's because she's
wearing earplugs and earmuffs the whole time.
Did you adjust your exhaust?
Yeah,
so it wasn't. So it wasn't too loud.
Yeah, but it was mostly the gear whine. It wasn't even the exhaust that was the issue.
Oh yeah.
The differential and the trans just so loud.
Let's go check out his videos if you guys want to see.
Hell yeah.
I mean, he's got a lot more to post too, though. He's only posted what, 3 videos?
4 or 5, I think. Then 2 from prep, and I've got another 2 I got to do at least.
Yeah. So
more stuff
hopefully
coming.
we're gonna probably try to help him out. He's got all these. He got all the drift stickers on there. All right. So recently, what did I do? I think I just got tires at one of my buddy's shops, and diff was leaking a little bit. We got some new gear oil, and then we got some friction modifier with it. But yeah, but I was saying, everybody was using this. What did you make her squirt already?
Just about.
Oh, make her squirt. What'd you say, bro?
So I went and drove my race car 7,500 miles. I come home and my truck can't even get on the damn highway. How's my race car more reliable than my tow rig?
That's insane, though. I can't believe you did. We got safes here, my buddy. Yep. He's coming down the driveway. I didn't know you was still rocking those. Dang.
Sir, what's going on, bro?
What the hell happened to your badge, bro? You took it off?
Yeah, I was gonna put the coyote shit on it, but then I was like, fuck it.
That's no big deal. Just something to seal it up.
Just a quick little blue.
Yes, sir.
Dang.
Sir.
My boy Thomas down there. He's like a spider monkey. Look at that focus. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this rig.
Yeah.
My man, you're like the MacGyver of like drifting, and you need to get like a MacGyver like wrap on your car next. You guys got to show this man some love. Like I appreciate him so much. You know. He's just under here like doing the nasty to my car. You know what I'm saying? He's just shoving it up the. Thomas has been grinding over here. Is this fun?
Yeah, the maintenance is never really that fun.
This is how I know the government's watching. Like we literally were talking about S2K, and look, he pulled up a picture, and then the first thing on my Instagram is an S2K.
Oh yeah.
The feds is watching.
Like how is it? You know what I'm saying? There's got to be something. There's got to be something going on right there. I'm like showing my tits to you guys.
The feds is
But that's insane. We'll just get 4 then. I mean.
No, you're gonna probably get all 8. They usually come in a set.
Well, my car was backfiring pretty well, and I went to go pull these out, and they just snapped like little twigs. So.
Might be your problem.
I think this was probably my issue. We're about to go take Safe's car while he's trying to finish that up. Hopefully get this solved because I hate my car not driving like 100%.
A few moments later.
Look at that.
Are you low? Are you even low, bro? Alrighty, lads. Are we good? Are we gonna start this baby up? You like my Rocky back here, guys? Check it out. Oh yeah.
Use them to punch out that dent in the back there. Get in there with a good hammer.
Yeah.
I got that one that flew apart on you. You can still use it.
Right. We'll just beam it at it. Yeah, this guy has a YouTube channel too, but he doesn't post anything.
I don't post anything because I'm depressed.
Down below if you guys are depressed.
Yeah, if you're suffering from depression, bro, it gets better.
Especially during these COVID times because
It gets better.
it does get better.
The best thing to do with your depression
Is jerk off.
stay busy as hell the whole time.
Change those plugs, the other plug wires.
Yeah, guys. So you know, I changed all these plugs, you know, because he just let me use his tools and all.
Good job.
Thanks. Just kidding.
Yeah, you can see who did the work.
No, he just went in there, grabbed some grease. Like he's a liar. I'm just very precise with my work. It's like just kidding. But shout out to Thomas. I wouldn't be able to do this without Thomas. I love him. Let me see those plugs. They look pretty.
They looked okay. I mean, they're a little bit older, but they're fine.
So
The
it's
gap,
probably just them plug wires in.
yeah, the gap was a little bit bigger than what we put in there now too. So
Hopefully it should run a bit smoother.
She make a little bit more power.
Start her up. Let's see how she's going.
Just blows up. Throws a rod through the block.
Alright.
Let's see.
Don't mind this messy car.
What starter?
The battery die?
Where are my jumper cables? I have a set somewhere.
Well, now I have to get CPR from a Mustang.
I don't know. Fuck it.
Come on, Jesus. We did it. All right, Dad. Tell Mom I love her.
Feels more.
Feels like that gap was.
She got a little sideways there.
Yeah, I like it.
It's like when you get a fresh oil change.
The little baby. That baby had a big old forehead. Oh yeah, this thing is way smoother. That feels good. Feels nice, little baby. This is great. It's so funny because it's like when your car runs like poop, and then it runs good. It feels like it's like a whole modification, but really it's just like this is how your car's supposed to.
It's just like, this is why you do maintenance, boys.
Made it! See, before I couldn't, I would never be able to do that because it's fucking...
It start breaking up?
Yeah, it just sounds like, I don't know, just scary. That's crazy.
Wires.
He said the plugs didn't really even need change. It was just the wires. What's up, girl?
Ooh, she kind of cute.
I'm like, what's? I thought that's her car is ticking. I was like, why is my car ticking now?
Fucking Dodge.
I like it.
So now it's even loud, noisy boy.
Definitely needed some spark plugs and wires. I love you, Thomas.
I love when you fucking maintain your car and it just fucking works way better. Just be like, oh,
Yo,
fuck yeah.
That's gonna be some new merch. Just maintenance. In like cursive.
Don't forget your maintenance, boys.
No, there's two more next to your car, and then.
Oh, damn.
They got a whole squad.
Squad, whole lot of gang shit.
He's trying to get me. Hey, puppy. Hi, puppy. Get back. We gotta get the puppies.
Well, you got tail light out.
Again? I just changed that thing. Peach. Hi, Peach.
Hey, puppy. Whoa. He just jumped right in here. Shit. Oh.
What is going on? Attack of the French. The British are coming.
He stepped on my key. Holy shit. Ah. Oh my gosh.
Give me that. Release it. Their faces are so funny. Stop it, this is illegal. Stop it, this is illegal.
They hurt me, they won't heal my sorrow. You say that you love me, you're gone by tomorrow.